With the Chicago federal trial for R. Kelly and two of his associates now less than 2 weeks away, attorneys for one of the defendants, Derrell McDavid, filed a bizarre motion in court today. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey joins us live now. And Megan, they're claiming the former lead prosecutor used a burner email address and a fake name to communicate with a potential witness.
Right, Joe and Erica, the motion filed this morning claims that prosecutor Angel Krull used the name Demetrius Slovinsky and a private Gmail account when communicating with Jim DeRogatis, the journalist who first broke the story decades ago that R. Kelly was allegedly sexually abusing underage girls. But DeRogatis tells me nothing improper happened. The motion was filed in federal court by Derrell McDavid's attorneys. McDavid is singer R. Kelly's former business manager, and he's been charged with helping cover up Kelly's alleged crimes against young girls. The attorneys say it wasn't until this week that they were made aware of communications between Assistant United States Attorney Angel Krull, the former lead prosecutor on this case, and journalist Jim DeRogatis. AUSA Krull called herself Demetrius Slovinsky and created the email account with the username Pied Piper 312. The conversations took place in April of 2019, which was before the indictment in this case. The motion calls DeRogatis a potential witness because of his direct involvement in the 2002 R. Kelly investigation.
Megan, I have never shared anything with anyone, prosecutors or defense attorneys or sources, that hasn't already been published.
DeRogatis confirmed that Krull used the fake name and private email. He said his book Soulless, The Case Against R. Kelly was a few weeks from publication at the time. He has no indication that he will be called as a witness in this trial, and a court spokesperson tells me that Krull left their office in 2020 and is no longer associated with this case. Quote, the fact that this information was known to the government for years and only disclosed to defense less than 2 weeks before the trial creates, at the very least, the appearance of impropriety, which needs to be investigated, attorneys for McDavid wrote. DeRogatis doesn't believe the filing should have much of an impact.
I think it means anything. I think just like in 2008, the defense is trying to say there was this vast conspiracy against Robert S. Kelly. Robert Kelly's convicted because of what Robert Kelly did.
Now, we reached out to the U.S. Attorney's Office for comment on the former prosecutor's use of a fake name and private email. A spokesperson declined to comment at this time, saying they'll be filing a written response with the court by the end of the week. In the newsroom, Megan Hickey, CBS 2 Investigators.
Megan, thank you.